If you want to add the best security camera with local storage to your smart home setup to protect your property, this article will come in handy. Due to numerous data breaches and privacy scandals that have recently occurred, many homeowners are looking for a reliable security camera with onboard storage. We've compiled the list of the most popular options currently available on the market. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Blurams Indoor. Blurams Indoor Security Camera combines the security cameras with two-way talk to give you maximum protection and the best value for your money. Blurams Indoor Security Camera has been designed to fulfill the needs of property owners looking for a camera with both night vision and dual HD recording capability at an affordable price. It is equipped with a user-friendly interface which makes installation quick and easy. It also has 2 receivers for sending audio and video signals. You can see all your captured images on your computer screen, even from anywhere, with ease. Number 2. Blurams Dome. The Blurams Dome security camera is a high-tech indoor wireless IP camera with two-way audio and video. This unique system from Blurams incorporates all the benefits of a standard wired camera system while at the same time simplifying many of the complications inherent in such systems. These systems offer 2 ways to view your surveillance tapes on demand and live. With the ease of viewing your recordings on demand via a computer or other media device and the power of live motion detection, this camera can be a very efficient addition to your home, business, or security system. Number 3. Blurams Nanny Cam Pet. The Blurams Nanny Cam Pet safety camera is one of the newest products in the market, which helps you protect your family as well as ensuring total home security. With the smart integration feature, two-way audio and visual monitoring can be integrated into one unit, allowing you to monitor your pet's activities even if you are not at home. The local storage component of this system is perfect for storing pet profiles for future reference. You can also store other information like address and contact numbers of your household members and place of business on the micro SD card of the unit. Number 4. Eufy Security Cam 2C. The Eufy Cam 2C wireless home security camera systems has many features, such as 180-day battery life, video HD 1080p, weatherproof, compatible with HomeKit, and many other features make this camera a must-have security system for all homeowners. It also comes with a night vision feature which allows you to view the area outside of your home in daylight when you are not at home. This device has 2 cameras, one is the front-facing camera and the other is the rear-facing camera. The video is crystal clear and there are no visible wires or diodes used. Number 5. ZOSI C301. ZOSI C301 wireless, fully integrated security cameras offer a great and effective combination of security surveillance systems for commercial and residential use. It has a built-in night vision that is highly adjustable, giving you the power to control the light level in your surveillance areas, providing a clear view of the scene outside once the sun sets. In addition, has a built-in, hands-free infrared motion detection system. With a simple touch of a button, the camera automatically begins recording when there is a presence detected, such as movement, a door or window being opened, or any other activity that is detected by the built-in infrared sensor. Number 6. Blurams Indoor Set. The Blurams Indoor Security Camera Set comes with 2 different indoor cameras, which provides total surveillance protection for your entire home or office area and gives you flexible options in viewing the captured images from anywhere in the home or office. These 2 cameras can work together or separately to provide high-quality video imaging by day and night. There is a local storage component that stores captured images in the hard drive of your computer for immediate viewing, and there is a remote monitoring component that enables you to view live footage through your smartphone or PC via Wi-Fi. Number 7. Soliom S100. Soliom S100 security camera is a good outdoor camera with an extremely high optical zoom lens for great video quality. This is one of the best digital cameras on the market, was designed to be water resistant and can operate in extreme temperatures. This makes it the perfect tool for someone who is looking for the very best picture quality. The camera has a wide-angled lens that will provide you with great picture quality at an amazing price. It comes with an included rechargeable battery that will last for many hours without having to worry about changing batteries or running out of charge. Number 8. Blurams Outdoor Pro. Last but certainly not least is the Blurams Security Camera Outdoor Pro, an IP security camera with two-way audio and video. It provides some smart features, such as facial recognition, smart vehicle alerts, and a built-in siren for extra deterrent. It also makes use of two-way Wi-Fi networks in order to provide you with real-time security alerts wherever you may be by having the ability to view your camera on your laptop, tablet, phone, gaming console, and other portable devices. This model is come packaged with a software bundle and you can easily control your cameras with your computer. Use your simple voice command to view Blurams security cameras live stream on Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant device with a screen. Works with Eufy lets you link just about any set of smart devices so they can work together, make your home more relaxing.